Hey, Asa.
Oh, hello.
Hey, what are you doing with that bottle?
I'm just checking the bottles,
What is
I
it?
will make sure this bottle is clean
Oh,
because after that I will make a starter and decomposer
what?
for
Starter for decomposer?
no starter or decomposer
Oh, yeah.
for liquid fertilizer.
Oh, my God.
We've been making a lot of fertilizer, right? But we
Yeah.
haven't made the starter of it, the
Oh,
microorganism of it.
oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, no, this time you want to show us
yeah, I want to show you, and it's organic, guys. We,
organic.
you know what? We can use the M4 as a starter
Mm-hmm.
and decomposer, and
Yeah.
also I found one organic.
Organic to be
Organic.
a decomposer?
That's right. And we can make it by ourselves.
Oh, my gosh. What is this? I'm curious.
And the ingredients of it, we can find it everywhere.
Everywhere?
That's right. Oh my god, why
How
I'm holding
many?
a knife?
Oh my God. How many ingredients that we need to make it?
Just two.
Just two
Two of the.
to make a start?
That's right. Just,
Starter for the composer?
that's right.
Oh my
Just
God.
two ingredients. And it's really easy to find.
Oh yeah?
And you know what, guys? Everything is organic.
Yeah.
Will grow more better than chemicals.
Oh yeah?
That's right.
That's right.
And our plant will always be happy with the organic materials.
Oh my
Have
gosh.
you ever imagined in your mind that, oh my god, why don't I just use organic metals?
Mm-hmm.
I believe you never think about that, right? You
Yeah.
just, oh my god, I need to have more blooming, so I will use chemicals.
Oh yeah.
But in reality, no. That's an instant solution, not
Oh.
long-lasting solution.
Oh yeah.
Because after that, the plant will slowly dying.
Oh. That's why everybody now using an organic.
Yeah, must use organic now. Not should, but must. Okay?
Should. All right.
And yesterday, I'm really sure that we can make the microorganism by ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it will be really interesting,
Yeah.
We can make a lot of fertilizer with this.
Starter and
Starter.
decomposer.
That's right. You are
What
the
is
cat.
called in
In Indonesia,
yeah,
it's called N8.
an egg.
N8.
Oh, and eggs. You will make it,
I will make it.
and you will just show us how to make it.
That's right. We're gonna
Oh
make
my
the N8.
gosh.
It's for
I
the
got
starter
the
and
new knowledge.
decomposer.
Oh, that's it.
We're gonna make the starter and decomposer, guys.
Yeah.
So the first ingredient is
What is that? What is it?
it's a glucose.
Glucose. Oh my God.
So it's the food for the microorganism.
Oh.
Like before, I already showed you the molasses, right?
Yeah.
Almost same like a sugar.
Yeah.
But now I will use the real sugar here.
White sugar.
That's right.
All
We
right.
can find it everywhere in the marketplace,
Yeah.
in the traditional store,
Yeah.
almost everywhere we can find it.
Yeah.
On
In the
department
mall.
store.
Yeah.
In the mall, everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. I see.
Just need two tablespoons of sugar,
Oh, it's a little.
It's a little one. And the main ingredient is.
What is that? What's that?
Why am I scratching my head? This
Let
one.
me see. What's that?
You ever know about
Oh,
the cookies?
this is like look like a root.
Yeah, it's the root of this plant.
What is that plant?
It's called pandan.
Pandan?
Yeah, it's aromatic leaves. It's sometimes used as a aromatic flower or aromatic spices for like a porridge,
Oh.
everything like that. So the porridge will get a nice aromatic in it.
If we use that leaf.
If you didn't believe in me,
Yeah.
just wait.
Oh. That's it. Oh my gosh.
Just smell it.
That's okay.
Smell it.
That's it, guys. Oh, aromatic. Oh, it's
really
very
aromatic,
nice.
right?
Yeah.
It's not spicy, but
Yeah.
it's like a vanilla,
Yeah.
Vanilla,
I
but
agree.
it's traditional.
Yeah, I agree that.
It's originated from the Asian country.
Yeah, and it's easy to find, right?
It's really easy to find.
Oh
So
my gosh.
maybe if you doesn't have any pandan,
Mhm.
you can use a vanilla, vanilla beans.
Oh.
If you have it there, because
Yeah.
it's almost the same.
Okay.
This one, the root of
Yeah.
it.
The root of it. The root of pandan.
Yeah, that's right. The pandan leaves.
Pandan leaf.
So before we make it, we must crush it first.
Oh, so we got the mixture.
Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna
Okay.
press it in the stone.
Okay.
I always trust with this stone because we've been met long ago,
Yeah.
long enough, and it always helping me with this kind of activities.
Oh, you make an egg with that kind of material?
Yep, that's right.
Oh my
We can
gosh.
use M4, EM4, but
Mm-hmm.
for me, why can't we make it by ourselves?
Yeah.
And it's free, right?
Yeah.
We can
And
find it
easy to
everywhere.
find, right?
That's right. And easy, really easy, cheap.
Oh, it's very cheap.
Yeah, it's very cheap. The
Okay.
quality of it is
And
never.
show me how to make it.
Just grind it here first.
Yeah.
I will grind using not my hand, of course.
Oh yeah.
This one.
What's that one?
It's I don't know. I forget what it's
What's
called.
that?
But I use it as a grinder.
It's a grinder?
Yeah. Just do it like this. Wait a minute.
You just need to crush it.
Yep. Or maybe I use my beloved tools here.
Yeah. Oh. That's right.
We must crush it first. Oh my
And
god, guys, it's almost
oh. How long we must be fermented?
around 3 days. It's already set. It's already
Oh.
done enough, and we can use it as a starter at decomposer.
Oh.
Just 3 days,
That's
guys.
3 days can use it
Yeah,
to be a starter or decomposer.
that's right. Or maybe I will stamp it in this table,
Yeah.
because it has a lot of new space, a lot of
Oh.
large space, wider area.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Oh my
great.
god, it's growing everywhere.
You just make them crash, yeah?
Yep. I really Bum 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 bum.
Oh yeah, like music.
My god. Or maybe we also can use this one,
Yeah.
the leaf of it, after this. And the smell
Oh,
of it. Oh,
it's the same with the leaf, right?
yeah, it's the same. Even more, it's even more than the leaf.
Oh yeah. With this kind of wood,
What?
how many liters that we can make?
1 liters.
1 liter.
1 liters. We're gonna start it here.
Oh yeah.
That's why I clean the bottle first.
Oh, so you needed to fill the ingredient there.
Yep, that's right.
Maybe after that you can fill the roots to the bottle and then you
We'll
give
do it with water.
water. Oh, so
You already
easily.
know about it.
Yeah.
You're really fast learner,
Okay. That's right. I'm thinking.
That's right. Everybody must always think,
Yeah. Oh, it's already there.
Almost.
Okay.
Like this.
And you put it there?
Yep, that's right. I will put it here. Oh my god, it's not possible. I will pick it one by one.
Yeah.
Okay. The root of it.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can crush it with my hand also.
Yeah.
This
So the liquid from the roots will be
will be sprouting here.
sprouting.
Yeah.
And it's mixed with the
With water.
water,
And also the sugar.
sugar. Oh.
It's not spilling. Fortunately.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
All of you can use it. I can do it, guys. It's really easy,
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's really easy and it's really impactful. Have a
Oh,
lot of
yeah.
impact. Look at it. Oh my god. If you can use it by yourself, why don't you use it, right?
Yeah.
If you can make it by yourself, just make it.
And so cheap, right?
Yeah, it's really cheap. Not just talking a lot about theoretically, but never do anything.
Yeah.
That's a trash, in my opinion. Just do it. Don't ever try to talk much about it,
Okay.
because the person that talk much about anything but didn't have any proof,
Mm-hmm.
that's a loser, in my opinion.
Oh my gosh.
Like many, like many person like that.
Oh yeah. It's nearly done, right?
Yeah. If you want to do anything, just do it, guys.
Okay.
Don't be afraid of losing or winning.
Oh.
Okay. Nobody ever tried to be scared with winning, right?
Right.
The third one is the pendant leaf.
Oh, to make more aromatic, right?
Yeah. To make the microorganism dancing there.
Oh. Yeah, that's right.
You know, guys, when we do like this, it's also learning, It's also
Yeah.
studying.
Yeah.
Learning by doing.
Right.
Not just theoretical, writing
Yeah.
something. Oh my god. Unuseful.
Okay.
And guys, being a person that didn't care about numerical word is really, really beautiful. You never think about your grade. You didn't need to be stressful.
Yeah.
Just enjoy life
Yeah.
and try to seek something new.
Okay.
The second one is the sugar.
Sugar.
We need around 2 tablespoons so we can use it.
Yeah.
Because 2 tablespoons it means 4 cups of it.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, you make it. Oh, that's great.
It's already. Oh wait, it can be more. Just use your feelings, guys.
Yeah,
If you didn't have any spoon here, just use your feeling.
because you make it in nature, right?
Yeah, it's nature. You will feel it by yourself if you never calculate it. Just calculate with your heart.
Yeah.
Because look at it. Because if you calculate with your heart, it will be more accurate,
Yeah.
Not like in my previous video when I calculate with a method,
Oh,
with a prediction,
yeah.
but the banana tree is falling in other direction. Oh my god! I almost ruined my plans there, and I'm really panicking that moment.
Oh, nearly finished, right?
Finally finished. It's not that hard, right?
Yeah, it's easy. It's very easy,
I will make it here.
Just 2 ingredients. Then we have make an egg
Yeah, and egg. That's right.
for starter to the decomposer.
That's right. You are a fast learner,
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
I need to really to be careful here, guys.
Yeah.
Really careful. You can use any water here if you, but I would recommend you use rainwater or maybe
Yeah.
well water
Yeah.
because there's contain a lot of materials there.
Oh, and you give space, right?
And after that, we're gonna shake it. We need to
Shake it.
space a little bit. This one.
That's it.
We're gonna seal it first.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
There's a sugar here.
Oh my gosh.
There's
You
sugar.
have already make it.
It's really easy, right?
Yeah, it's
And-
easy.
It's really useful.
Oh yeah.
It's really useful. Really, really useful.
Okay. All right. Oh, you shake it.
Yeah, just shake it. So
So the mixture of the root will be
Will
mixed
be-
with
yeah, will be mixed, right?
sugar, right?
Yep, that's right.
Oh my gosh, it's already done.
So we gonna need around 2 weeks. Oh yeah,
Mm-hmm.
not 2 weeks, 3 days for it.
3 days, so we can make it.
Yeah,
We can use it.
we can use it as a starter and decomposer.
Oh my gosh, it's called an egg,
Yeah,
right?
and egg. That's right. It's done.
Oh, it's done.
It's done, guys.
So
So look at it.
Oh my gosh, this is called an egg,
Yeah, and egg. Or
and we waited for 2 days,
yeah, that's right.
and we can make for the decomposer
Yep,
with that kind of liquid.
that's right. We can make a decomposer or a starter for our farm with fertilizer and liquid. Oh my god, I catch my breath there. I almost drank my voice. Okay. Okay guys, so it's work. Let's try to know the result in just 3 more days, okay?
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
All right.
Thank you for visiting our channel.
Yeah.
And don't forget to always seek a new knowledge, guys. See you.